everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited because I got my hands on the new Chanel Tweed collection, and I don't know about you guys, but I have been so excited for this launch. I literally don't know if I have been as excited for a launch to happen. Like, I was all stressed out that I wouldn't be able to pick these quads up. So very highly anticipated. So many of you have been reaching out to me saying, have you been able to get your hands on these yet? So I was the first person waiting outside the door at Nordstrom at 10 a.m. and I was able to get all four of the Chanel Tweed 2022 collection. So what we're going to do today is we're going to have a little swatch party with these gorgeous tweed quads. You guys, they're all so pretty. And I'm also going to give you a demo of number 4, which is Brun et Rose. That is the one that most people wanted me to show them ASAP. Yep, I kind of love it. Okay, lots of newness today. And yes, I'm trying a middle part. So if I look a little different today, I am having a little fun playing with a different hairstyle. So let's go ahead and get this swatch party going. I'm going to give you swatches of all 4 tweed quads. First up, we have Tweed number 1, and this is Tweed Fave. These are so cute. Love the little tweed pouch here. Gorgeous, rich browns, bronzes, and golds in this particular quad. Here is a swatch of this on my fingertips first, and what I will tell you is the bottom one down here is one of these gorgeous topper shades, and then the rest of them have a very creamy texture, as you can see, very pigmented. So the first one down here is definitely like a beautiful topper shade. And then here is a swatch on my hand. Doesn't quite show up as well as it does on my fingertips. Absolutely gorgeous. Cannot wait to play with that one as well. Tweed number 2. Again, beautiful little tweed pouch here. Love. And this is Tweed Pourpre. Really pretty. Ooh, this one is gorgeous. I do think anybody who has hazel eyes, I think you might really like this particular tweed. And here's a swatch on my hand. This particular shade up here is going to be the lightest one of the bunch. So pretty, you guys. Tweed number 3. This is Tweed Fave. These are all so pretty. So this one is going to have that rich kind of russet color up here, some golds, really pretty fall inspired quad. And here is a swatch of these colors. And again, the first 3 colors are super creamy and buttery. And then this one right over here is going to have that beautiful topper shade. And here's a swatch on my hand. This is actually so pretty. I can't wait to play with this on my eyes as well. Now, I did pick up two of the new eyeliners. I'd already picked up the Blue Carbone, that's number 44, and then they also have Bois Noir, and this one is number 58, which I thought would go great with all of those quads. So here's a swatch of those two new eyeliners from Chanel. Stilo waterproof eyeliners are one of my favorite eyeliners, especially for my more mature eyes. And I'm obsessed with the blue carbon or carbone. I just think it is gorgeous, and I do think it's going to look pretty with some of the quads. But I did pick up the Bois Noir because I thought it might be similar to Black Wood, which I am out of, but Blackwood was a limited edition eye pencil as well, and it was just like the perfect sort of deep black brown. But this Bois Noir is a little bit lighter, but I actually love it, so I'm so excited that I picked that up. Okay, so we've done all the swatches. Now I'm going to give you a demo of me using the Tweed number 4, that is the Brun et Roses, and that's the one that I had so many people say, use that one first. So we're going to create this eye look using that along with the eyeliner, and then I want to know which quad you want to see next. I only have 2 eyeballs, and I actually like to see the entire look, not just like one eye and then the other. I feel like I can't quite get the full picture. So you guys let me know which one I should use next. If you want me just to start with number 1, I will go ahead and do that. But if there's a particular one you want to see on my eyes, let me know, because I will be having a little bit of fun playing with the new Chanel Tweed collection. Been so excited about this collection, and I'm so glad I got my hands on these. These are going to sell out rather quickly. I'm not trying to be like, ooh, you got to run out and get this $88 quad, but if you are interested in these have been highly anticipated, and I do think they will sell out quite quickly. They've done a beautiful campaign. It's fun to watch on the Chanel site as well. So take a peek. Let me know if you guys have picked some of these up, which ones you're really excited about. And personally, I'm so excited to play with all of these. Okay, we're gonna play with number 4. This is the Tweed Brun et Rose, and this is the one that everybody told me to use first. I think this one is going to sell out super quick because it is those beautiful neutrals. So let's take one more minute to stare at the beauty before I swatch this gorgeous quad. Yep, I don't even want to touch it because it's so cute. But it is just makeup, so we're going to go ahead and, ooh, so pretty. Ooh, okay. These are these first 2 shades right over here. Already in love. So first on my fingertips here, gorgeous. And then it's got this really pretty deep chocolatey brown. This is so gorgeous. This first beautiful shade over here is a bit more shimmery. This shade down here is this little shimmery topper. So pretty. And then we've got this kind of lovely taupe, another deeper brown, and then this chocolatey. So pretty. Let me swatch it on my hand for you. Okay, here is a swatch of this beautiful tweed quad, and this one is in Tweed Brun et Rose. So gorgeous. Okay, we're going to create an eye look using this. I'm going to start with this top shade over here, and I am going to put that in the crease first. And this looks like it's going to create a really pretty smoky eye. Okay, really pretty color of taupe right here. Then I'm going to come in with this deeper shade over here. It's so pretty, and I am going to put that in the outer V and bring a little bit of that up into that crease as well. And this time I'm using sort of a flat-edged brush here, nice and thin. And I want to go ahead, ooh, I love that color. And we're going to just start to build the color here. This is obviously going to be more of a lovely smoky eye. Okay, I love those two colors. I'm going to take whatever's left on this brush and I'm going to just run a little bit of that color underneath my lash line. Now I did pick up one of the new eyeliners in Bois Noir and it looked a little bit lighter than black wood. If you have black wood, which again is going to be kind of that deeper, almost a black brown. This one is definitely a little bit lighter than that, but in that black brown realm. Okay, now I want to go ahead and put this beautiful topper shade on here, and I'm going to use my fingertip. It is so pretty, you guys, and I am going to put that on my lid here. Ooh, that is so pretty. Can you see that? So pretty. Beautiful, soft, almost like a shell pink here. And go back into this one over here and just deepen that side just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to go into this deeper shade and I'm going to use that as a powder liner first. So pretty. And we're going to start towards the outer edge here. That's really pretty color. I'm going to take a little bit of that deeper color here and just run that underneath that lash line. I'm taking a little bit of this pretty color right here and I'm going to come into that inner corner here and lighten up right in that inner corner. And just taking a little bit, I'm going to put that up in that highlight up into that brow bone. Okay, this is what this looks like so far without any mascara. And now I am going to line my eyes with the new Bois Noir. And let me give you a swatch of this Bois Noir right here. Really nice chocolatey brown here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tightline that upper lash line with this liner. Once I have that liner on, I'm going to go back through with this deeper shade here, and we're just going to smoke that on top of that liner, focusing a little bit more on the outer edge, bringing it out just a little bit. I don't have the great kind of eyes that look good with those wings, but I am building a little lift at the outer corner here. Okay, for an everyday beautiful smoky eye, that Chanel Brunette Rose is going to be an all-time favorite for so many people. And then she did give me a sample of the new mascara. I was actually going to go ahead and purchase it, but she said, hold on, I've got a sample for you, try it first. So I have this adorable sample right here in the Noir Allure. Let's take a peek at this brush. So it's one of these rubberized brushes, and we'll see what I think about this one. Okay, eyes are on. I am not quite sure I love that mascara. I am a Volume de Chanel girl, and this one was a little bit clumpy. I wouldn't say that it is a bad mascara. I would just say it wasn't like, ooh, this is so transformative, run out and get it. So here is the finished eye look using that Brunette Rose eye quad. So I love this eye quad, absolutely stunning. And of course we are paying for the beautiful tweed case. Like, I feel like this launch is so adorable. And I did want to show you one thing, that inside of the tweed, it's got little Chanel logo inside. It is just adorable. But yep, we're paying $88 for this beautiful quad. For myself, this was totally worth it because I love Chanel. I love the way that they perform on my more mature eyes, and I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this particular quad. So, poof, got my hands on these quads. So excited about this launch, and I will be back with another video soon.